a simple React app with two buttons, first and second. The first button calls fun A, second calls fun B. Both of these functions call fun C, and that fun C is simply printing I am in function C. Now, if we open the console log and click on first, it will say I am in fun C. If we click on second button, it will also say I am in function C. Now, the problem is we don't get to know from where this is getting called, from where the function C is getting called, right? So for that, what we can do is we can simply add a breakpoint in this function and then again call this function. So here we'll see in the call stack, fun C was called from fun A. If we continue and click on second, we'll see that fun C was called from fun B. Now this call stack is basically a stack or a list of functions that were called to reach the point where we have added the breakpoint. Okay. The problem with this approach is that the complete execution of the application gets paused to just to check the call stack, right? So if you don't want to pause the complete execution, there is a very simple trick. So in the code, we will use console.trace instead of console.log. Now in the app, in the console, we will simply click on the buttons. We click on the first button, it will say I am in function C. Now along with that, it will also give you the call stack. So fun C was called from fun A. If we click on second, it will say fun C was called from fun B. Now this is happening without pausing the execution, right? So this is pretty great. Also, if you notice, there is show 15 more frames. So basically this is that call stack which has functions not from your application but from third-party libraries like React. So these are functions from React which were called to execute your code. So if you want to go deeper into how React works on clicking on something or on calling any particular function, this could be pretty useful. That's it.